Say I'm in a cup of coffee, I'm up early. I couldn't get to sleep, I feel burly. I'm surely not the man I used to know, but I'm still going slow, fast for show. Trying to speed it up, but I can't let go. And I'm holding on, falling to the glass. Just stir it up. Try not to pass away, passing time. Stir it up for the lines I've stood in, the time it took it, trying to be cooking what they've shooken. It's got me looking, feeling like a fool, you know. I wanna grow. I've been here oh so long, show the sofa show, and tell me where it's time to go. I've been trying so slow, and I'm right where I want. Can't see I'm gone. You know you wanna come with me, take a ride, so we can see more than a B&B, every way. Yes, every way. I wanna stay, I wanna play, I wanna see you, no delay. Up in the sky, we go so high, we fly. Baby, me and you could have been so true. But this love you left under the loo, you left me, boo. I thought you'd be so surely, but I had to let the love be what it is. Go where it go, do what it do. Find this for sure. Your love was no, and I couldn't see, cause I wanted to be the best of me, and that's for she. OZ, oh, you don't see me like I thought you would. I knew I could not give a damn, be that man. But I tried to give a little more, try to be a little bit of a man, not a little bitch. Tried to love you strong, hold on so long, but it let go, you let go, we let go. What is though? What is for show? What is for no? How do I grow if I don't know where to go, baby? How to flow when you say no? How to let go when you don't grow with a flow and plan we show, baby. I just want you to know that I put in that time, put in that grind. I was on mine, I thought divine. I thought we could be in the sky. Seems so fly, we up high. Now I'm just sitting back wondering and asking why. Did I put the time in? Why ain't I let go? Did I put the grind in? Lied and I didn't hope. I didn't flow. I didn't know that you could so easily just let go. You gotta let me know what's for sure is the yo. How we grow, are we yo? Is it me or just we? What is gonna be? Talk to me. Tell me what is gonna be. Let me see. I didn't hold on so long. I didn't try to be strong. I don't like this and that, but I'm still kicking back, giving back, living, loving, laughing, trying to be more than just a bun out the oven. Rising, surprising, realizing that your love wasn't permanent. Earning it is more than I worth it. Worth it, yeah, it was worth the shit, but I gotta flip, gotta quit, cause you took it a little bit for granted, a little bit outhanded. Palms up, trying to find a way. Yeah, I'm out here every day trying to give my love. That Shoulda knew it was something wrong when it wouldn't last that long. But we grown, so I'ma move on. And you grown, so you gonna be strong. I just hope I didn't go wrong. Trying to love you and trying to be true. Mm. Now you got me thinking on this coffee I be drinking, trying to find a way to not be sinking. Tell me, what the fuck was you thinking? Blinking on the grass green in this life so serene. I'm Dr. Seussing, but I'm cruising and trying to find me not losing the love that I found in the life that I live. Only trying to give the best that I get. Damn.